Good morning, boys and girls. So today we are going to be doing the problem solving lesson. So you can model with math by drawing a picture and writing an equation to help me solve a problem. So this is going to be a lot of word problems. So before we get started, I do want to remind you, when we are reading a word problem, we're reading it nice and slow, and we're circling any numbers we come across because that helps them stand out so we know what we're doing, okay? So let's start with the solve and share. All right, nice and slow. Pam has 13 buttons. Julie gives her 10 buttons. How many buttons does Pam have in all? Use any method to solve. Draw what you did. Okay, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to circle my numbers. Pam has 13 buttons. I'm going to write that down here, 13. Julie gives her 10 buttons, 10. Okay, how many buttons does Pam have in all? Remember, those are key words. In all tells us that we are adding. Use any method to solve. Draw what you did. Okay, so I could draw this, right? Make 13, there's my 10. Here's my 1. And then another 10. Okay, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. There's one method that we could have used, right? You could have done a number line. I'm sure some of you might have been able to have just done that, added the 10 in your head, okay? As long as you can explain what you're doing, that's fine, okay? If you can't, then you need to use one of the methods and draw, especially if they say, draw what you did, okay? Let's watch the visual learning.
Miko has 23 green marbles and 18 blue marbles. How many marbles does he have in all? How do you know that you need to add to solve this problem? Since you need to find how many marbles Miko has in all, you need to add the number of green marbles to the number of blue marbles.
Excuse me.
How can you show the problem?
I could use blocks, a number line, an equation, or drawings to show the problem.
This is an addition story. You can draw tens and ones to show 23 plus 18. How does this picture show tens and ones? What equation can you write for this problem?
Okay, so it has its tens and then its ones as dots, right? So that's how it's showing tens and ones. The equation would be 23 plus 18 equals...
The 2 lines and 3 dots show 23. The 1 line and 8 dots show 18. You can write the equation 23 plus 18 equals... You can make a 10. How does this picture show that another 10 was made?
Okay, another 10 was made because you can see that they're circled together with the and joined with the arrow, okay?
A ring was drawn around the 3 ones in 23, and a second ring was drawn around 7 of the ones in 18. So, how many tens and ones does the picture show now?
Okay.
Select your answer.
1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and 1 1. Don't forget about that little guy, okay? Oops.
The picture shows that you have 4 tens and 1 1. So, what is 23 plus 18? How many marbles does Miko have in all?
10, 20, 30, 40, and 1, 41.
"23 plus 18 equals 41. Miko has 41 marbles in all. Now you know how to model with math."
Wonderful job, boys and girls. So, if Miko has 23 green marbles and 30 blue marbles, how many marbles does he have in all? Okay, so here is another word problem. So we are going to not only write it, but we need to circle it too. So he has 23 green and 30 blue. Okay. Equals, and we're doing in all, so we know we're adding, okay? Draw a picture to solve the problem. So your picture can be anything, okay? I'm going to use my blocks today. So I'm going to make 23, so 2 10s, and then I'm going to make 30. And I need my ones, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then I'm just going to count on 10, 20, right? Because I don't have to make a 10. There's not enough ones to make a 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Tell your brain, counting ones now. 51, 52, 53. Good. Okay, and if you did this, you're drawing. If you did a number line, that's drawing. Okay, whatever your strategy is. All right, so Ellen has 27 stickers. Let's circle 27. Her brother gives her 26 stickers. How many stickers does Ellen have in all? Well, I see that they helped us with the picture already. So I'm going to put in part of the equation to help me. 27 plus 26. All right, now I'm going to come over here and do the work. So we can make a 10. We've got 7 ones here. Okay, so 7, 8, 9, 10. We just need 3 more from 26, okay? So now let's count on 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. Awesome job, 53, okay? Now you can go on and do the the interactive practice buddy, the quick check, and your homework book. If you have any questions, please let me know, but try and use a different strategy for each word problem. Good job, boys and girls.